Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on NRZ New Residential Investment. A lot of my other stocks are in the red. My REITs and bank stocks are doing great today. And I did a video about this one, looks like back on April 19th, and come across some more information. It's actually down a little bit since I talked about it about a month or so ago. And so again, this is a new residential investment, NRZ. It's a REIT. It's got great ratings here, 91%. Looks like the last time I talked about it was 100% buy. As you can see, I'm down a little bit. No big deal. It's going to come back up. Might buy a couple more shares. I just sold SPHD, so I have 30 shares of this one at a cost basis of $10.47. As you can see, it's at $10.08. Kind of had a up and down last 3 months. So did really good, came down, and I don't know if that's in regards to inflation or what's going on with it, but creates some buying opportunities here. So, and it's a REIT, so it gives a pretty decent dividend. So if you don't know what this one is, it's a REIT, just as I said. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Been around since 2011 in New York. Here's kind of some of the stats on it. A $4.81 billion market cap. Pretty nice juicy dividend, 6.34. Kind of got a little bit of a volatility going in it, kind of a 37-cent swing, so I haven't traded it, but I suppose you could if you wanted to, and if it dipped, just keep it and wait for it to come back up and get the dividend. But as you can see, it's doubled here in the last year, so which is kind of nice. Here's the analyst ratings, 91%. Last time I covered it, it was at 100%, so still great ratings. And here's the shot of the earnings. So good, missed a little bit. The rest are all good. This is kick-ass earnings here. So, but here's kind of a shot of my dividends. So getting $6 quarterly. So it looks like January, April, and so 30 shares at 20 cents each for $6. So if I had a couple more shares, I could almost get another share per month or per quarter. So, and then it really starts to snowball. So this NYMT I've talked about a couple times. That one's been a really good growth in the last year. I think I bought some at $1.99, and so it's been a good one as well. You can find that in my library. But back to NRZ. Great ratings here on MSN as well. And New Residential Investment Q1 Earnings Snapshot, and this is just dated on the 5th on Cinco de Mayo. First quarter net income of $291.9 million after reporting a loss in the same period a year earlier. The New York-based company said it had a profit of 65 cents per share. Earnings adjusted for non-recurring gains came in at 34 cents per share. And so kind of goes over the average estimate of 4 analysts surveyed on Zex was also earnings of 34 cents per share. So not too bad on this one. So I'm going to continue to hold this one. Might possibly buy some shares and lower my cost basis a little bit. And again, this kind of goes over the quarter earnings, just a different view on it. A little bit more information here, so I'll just slowly scroll through. If you'd like to pause and go over that there for yourself, or else you can find this on NASDAQ.com. So I feel this is a decent rate to have. I've held it for a while, and I have several REITs actually. Some perform better than others, and a lot of them that I have usually get about 5 to 6 cents per month. This one, like I showed you, is 20 cents per quarter, so that would basically be about 6.5, 7 cents per month, so still not too bad for the price of the stock. New Residential Investment Corp on Q1 2020 results, earnings call transcript. This is also dated on the 5th, so you can find this on Seeking Alpha. And just going to slowly scroll through here for those of you that would like to read it. Or you can go straight to the source on Seeking Alpha and find it. But some of these, like this one, is down a little bit since I bought in. I didn't go over my history. I can go back there in a moment here. I did buy some last fall. I would have to double check. I think it's December for the $9.80 range, but there's quite a bit of information in here, so I'm just going to move on. Go back over here to my history, which I forgot to show that. I recently did just buy some more of this. So here you see my dividend. And there I bought 10 shares at $9.68 back in November. Probably lowballed these too much and they didn't fill, so $9.66, $9.61. And as you can see, they've increased their dividends since the pandemic. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15, and now it's 20. So here you could have got it right after the pandemic for $4.82. So very nice. Should have bought a bunch more then, but probably didn't have the money. So just been kind of dollar cost averaging into this one. So here's back. This is kind of what hurt my cost basis when I bought it back in 2019. It was kind of at its prime then, but $15.56. But this one's long term, so I'm just going to continue to hold it. But you can kind of see some of the history on it and how it's came up since I bought it in November. Over here to Reddit. And I believe I have this NLY. I'd have to double check on that one. It's got me wondering now. So over here to Reddit. That one sounds really interesting. Or familiar, I should say. So $9. No, I don't have any of this one. NRZ purchased Caliber home loans 28 days ago. So I like these REITs. Some people don't like them. They're pretty cheap. You get a fat dividend, and I mean, they don't appreciate a whole lot, but something's better than nothing if you want kind of a safer play. But that's kind of why I look at some of these and try to build them up. Try to diversify between growth stocks and dividends. Unusual options alert on $8, expiring 8/20/21. Hadn't even thought about doing an option on this one. Home steaming then. Almost. Trading at 1070 2 days ago. Demolished at 1028. Currently at 1009. So, like I said, I might be picking up some more shares of this one. I sold SPHD, so might put in a buy order for like $10. See if it comes back down. Might be worth a shot and lower my cost basis a little bit. So, but if you have this one or any other favorite REITs out there, go ahead and list those in the comments. That would be interesting to know. And smash that like button, hit the bell, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me. I'm on my way to 1,000, and that would really help out the channel as well. Again, I thank you for all the support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.